12 years, 3 mandates, and one unbroken streak.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी
4,399 days. He never stopped showing up, and neither did India. The world, from Italy to South Korea, the Republic of Maldives to the Republic of Kenya. Leaders from all across the world didn't just congratulate him. They didn't just acknowledge it. They announced it to the world out loud. That is not a leader story. That is India's story. And it is still being written. 12 years, 3 mandates, and one unbroken streak. PM Narendra Modi didn't just break a record. He outlasted an era, outran a legacy, and to be precise, outlived every storm that came his way. He never stopped showing up, and neither did India. It all happened in a democracy where citizens don't just clap, they keep questioning, where every answer gives birth to another question, where satisfaction is never ever the final destination. It happened in a world where governments don't just fall, they collapse, they crumble, they get swept away overnight. But this man kept walking to the same 1.4 billion people and kept getting the same answer. Not once, not twice, 3 times in a row. The world, from Italy to South Korea, the Republic of Maldives to the Republic of Kenya. Leaders from all across the world didn't just congratulate him. They didn't just acknowledge it. They announced it to the world out loud. Among them was Ursula, the president of the EU Commission, who stated, "With you, India not only landed on the moon, it is shooting for the stars. And so is our EU-India friendship. From our cooperation on technology, mobility, security and defense, all the way to the mother of all trade deals. Thank you for all that we have achieved together." Then, Prime Minister of Italy, Meloni, congratulated PM Modi and said that it has been a pleasure to meet again in Rome in recent weeks and to launch together a special strategic partnership that looks to the future to create new opportunity for our nations and our people. I congratulate my elder brother and dear friend, H.E. Narendra Modi, on the historic milestone of leading India with the vision and determination across 3 consecutive democratic mandates as India's longest-serving Prime Minister, earning the sustained trust of the world's largest and most vibrant democracy, stated Abiy Ahmed Ali, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia. This is not a report card. This is not a campaign speech. This is just what 12 years looks like. When a country decides it is done waiting. The milestone today isn't just about the man who has served the longest. It's about the country that used every single one of those 4,399 days to become something bigger. And the applause didn't pause here. Anura Kumara, the president of Sri Lanka, with warmth said, "Sri Lanka values our close partnership and looks forward to further strengthening the enduring ties between our 2 nations." Anwar Ibrahim, the Prime Minister of Malaysia, while appreciating PM Modi, said, "This achievement stands as a testament to his years of dedicated public service and leadership in advancing India's development, prosperity, and standing on the global stage." Lee Jae-myung, President of South Korea, said, "Over a long period of time, you have led India's growth and development and played an important role in elevating India's stature in the international community. I believe this achievement is a result that demonstrates the trust of the Indian people in your leadership." 4,399 days. Now, it sounds like a number, but do the math differently. That's 4,399 mornings and counting. India woke up with the same PM. It's a billion arguments, a billion votes, a billion mornings, where this country looked at itself in the mirror and kept choosing the same answer. Whether you agree with that answer or not, you have to admit one thing. That is not a leader story. That is India's story. And it is still being written.